How to use Pictory AI, a step-by-step guide. Pictory AI is a powerful tool that allows users to create high-quality videos from text, blog posts, and scripts with AI automation. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Pictory AI makes video creation simple and efficient. Step 1. Sign up and log in. 1. Visit Pictory AI. 2. Click on Start Free Trial or sign up if you're a new user. 3. Log into your account after registering. Step 2. Choose your video type. Pictory AI offers several video creation options. Script to video. Turn your written script into a video. Article to video. Convert a blog post or article into a video. Edit videos using text. Upload an existing video and edit it using AI-powered text commands. Visuals to video. Create a video using your images and video clips. Step 3. Upload or enter your content. If using script to video, paste your script. If using article to video, enter a URL or paste the text of your blog post. If editing an existing video, upload your file. Step 4. Customize your video. 1. Choose a template. Select from Pictory AI's pre-designed templates. 2. AI scene generation. Pictory automatically matches visuals and videos to your script. 3. Edit text and media. Modify scenes, change text, or upload custom images/videos. 4. Add voiceovers. Use AI-generated voices. Record your own, or upload a narration. 5. Adjust branding. Customize colors, fonts, and logos for brand consistency. Step 5. Generate and download the video. 1. Preview your video and make necessary edits. 2. Click Generate to render the final version. 3. Download your video in HD or share it directly on social media. Why use Pictory AI? AI-powered automation saves time. No prior video editing experience needed. Supports multiple content formats. High-quality templates and stock media available. Pictory AI is a game-changer for content creators looking to repurpose blogs, scripts, and text into engaging videos. Try it for free and see how easy it is to create professional videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech money-making ideas.